Learn English with your instill.
Why didn't you come to school yesterday?
I was feeling sick.
Did you visit the doctor?
Yes, I did.
Are you feeling better today?
Yes, much better.
What happened yesterday?
I had a headache.
Did you take any medicine?
Yes, my mom gave me some.
Did you rest at home?
Yes, I stayed in bed.
Was it serious?
No, just a small fever.
How are you feeling now?
I feel okay now.
Were you up all night?
No, I slept early.
Did you miss any homework?
Yes, I did, but I can finish it today.
Did you have any plans for the day you missed?
Yes, I was going to visit my grandma.
Are you catching up with lessons?
Yes, I'm reviewing the notes.
Why couldn't you come to school last week?
I was out of town with my family.
Did you enjoy your trip?
Yes, it was fun.
Where did you go?
We went to the beach.
Was the weather nice?
Yes, it was sunny.
Did you miss anything important?
Yes, I missed the math test.
Can we schedule a makeup test?
Yes, please.
Why were you absent yesterday?
I had to help my mom at home.
Is everything okay at home?
Yes, just needed to help with chores.
Are you ready for class today?
Yes, I am all set.
Why were you not here on Monday?
I overslept.
Did you have a late night?
Yes, I was studying.
Were you studying for a test?
Yes, for science.
Did it help you?
Yes, I felt more prepared.
Why were you absent last Friday?
My pet was sick.
Is your pet feeling better now?
Yes, she is much better.
Did you stay home all day?
Yes, I stayed to take care of her.
Why didn't you come to school today?
I was feeling very tired.
Did you get enough sleep last night?
No, I couldn't sleep well.
Are you okay now?
Yes, I feel rested today.
Why were you absent last week?
I had a family emergency.
Is everything resolved?
Yes, thank you for asking.
Were you away on vacation?
No, just a sudden family issue.
Did you miss anything important?
Yes, we learned about plants in science.
Can you catch up?
Yes, I will read the notes and watch the video.
Why weren't you here yesterday?
I had an appointment.
Was it for something serious?
No, just a regular checkup.
Were you waiting for something important?
Yes, I had a dentist appointment.
Did it go well?
Yes, it went fine.
Why didn't you come on Tuesday?
I had a headache.
Did you take any pain medicine?
Yes, my mom gave me some.
Is it okay now?
Yes, I'm fine now.
Why were you absent last Wednesday?
I was helping my little brother.
Was he sick?
No, he just needed help with his homework.
Did you finish your work?
Yes, I helped him with math.
Were you not here last Friday?
My cousin was visiting.
Did you have a good time with your cousin?
Yes, we played games.
Why didn't you come yesterday?
My parents were busy.
Did you stay home to help them?
Yes, I did.
Why were you out on Thursday?
I had an eye doctor's appointment.
Is your vision okay?
Yes, I just needed glasses.
Why didn't you come last week?
We had a family event.
Was it a special occasion?
Yes, it was my uncle's birthday.
Did you have fun?
Yes, it was nice seeing my relatives.
Why didn't you come to school today?
I was feeling too cold.
Did you have a blanket?
Yes, I did, but it didn't help much.
Did you drink warm tea?
Yes, I had some to warm up.
Did you miss any important lessons?
I missed reading class.
Can you read the story at home?
Yes, I can do that.
Why weren't you at school last Wednesday?
I had a bad cold.
Did you visit a doctor?
No, my mom took care of me at home.
Did you rest a lot?
Yes, I stayed in bed.
Why were you absent today?
I had to take my dog for a walk.
Did you miss anything important?
Yes, we had a math quiz.
Do you need to make it up?
Yes, please.
Did you miss anything on Friday?
Yes, I had a family meeting.
Was it a special family meeting?
Yes, it was to discuss our vacation plans.
Are you feeling well today?
Yes, I am all better.
Why were you absent last Monday?
I had a stomachache.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.